Hello everyone, I'm Casey of Coffee Hobby, and this is Level Up, the new series where we take no paint required models and level them up with paint. Today's video, the Snapfast Plus 1996 Dodge Ram Dually. Let's get to the painting. Alrighty, as a bit of a forewarning, I had a bit of a miscommunication with someone I know during this painting, so I was a bit stressed. Luckily that was resolved, but you will see I'm stiffer in this as I'm just trying to push through, and in the end I just kind of have to stop because the stress got to me to that point where I just wasn't confident in my ability to create quality content with the state I was in. So I want to thank you all for understanding. I also want to add that all the paints used here, save for the primer, are made by Army Painter. I am not sponsored. I just want to give credit where credit is due. I want to thank you all for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. This has been Casey of Coffee and Hobby. Now I'll see you all in part 2.